Organic Cotton Production Training. At SAWIE, we believe in empowering the next generation of farmers with sustainable practices. Recently, we conducted a comprehensive, hands-on training workshop on organic cotton production which the Organic Cotton Accelerator arranged in Multan, Pakistan. This 3-day workshop brought together project staff from WWF, Reed's POC, Sortie Enterprises, and Artistic Milliners. The training covered the entire organic cotton production process right from sowing to post-harvest practices. We guided participants through critical stages, starting with organic sowing techniques and fertilization strategies. Emphasis was placed on natural pest control using botanicals like datura and neem extracts, showing how to minimize synthetic chemicals while maintaining a healthy crop. Our experts demonstrated yield estimation techniques, providing clear signs on when to begin cotton picking. Proper storage methods were taught to ensure the purity of organic cotton lint, avoiding contamination with conventional lint. Post-harvest, we discussed field management, ensuring that next season's crops remain pest-free by managing crop residues effectively, contributing to soil health and biodiversity. During a field visit to the Central Cotton Research Institute, we demonstrated how to monitor insect outbreaks, identify beneficial insects, and inspect for diseases. Key skills for any organic cotton farmer. The training also included a visit to the fiber lab, where participants learned to assess fiber length, staple strength, and overall quality, reinforcing the importance of organic cotton's premium value in the global market. From pest management to post-harvest best practices, this training aimed at promoting sustainable cotton farming, protecting both the environment and farmers' livelihoods. At SAWIE, we are committed to advancing organic cotton production for a sustainable future. Please install the SAWIE mobile application from the Play Store for more information and updates. Also, subscribe to the SAWIE YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn to stay tuned.